Hey, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Live from Miami, I am Alberto German, and I'm going to be reading the market live, real time, as it's happening. Every tick by tick. All right? For all of you here at Capital Trade Center. All right? In other words, in front of a studio audience, like we do every single day. Alrighty then. Okay, so we have a 70-84 wave right now, 14-point range, and we all know that the most important element before taking any trade is direction, right? So look at the difference between today and yesterday. Remember yesterday the market was down 33 points. And we caught the bottom, for some reason, for some reason, quote unquote, we traded what we thought, right? And we have enough reasons to believe that the low was gonna hold, and so we started buying, and we ended up making a couple of Lamborghinis yesterday. Well, today, ladies and gentlemen, even though the price has gone all the way from 515, right, all the way to 70, that's 45 points, right? More than yesterday. Well, in my humble opinion, it's going to continue going down. So we have a bearish bias. That is direction, all right? So let's go ahead and look for the other 7 elements, for the other 6 elements that we always need to be present in every single trade. So we have a bearish bias. What's the price right now? Well, it's right here, 76, 78, right? 76, 77, 78, 75. And we believe that the price is going to continue going down, right? So we are in this 70, 84 snake wave, right? Snake, sideways, right? Bull up, bear down. Okay, and we believe, right, that the longer term move is going to be the downside, right? We believe that we're going to take advantage. That's the move. The market is moving all the time, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So when I say moving down, it's the move that we're looking for, all right? All right, so if we believe that the price is going to go down, it's going to take this low right here, 74. It's going to take this other low, 70, right? Look, this is 70 is the low of this wave. Then we're looking for a resistance strong enough to take a shot and start riding that baby. All right? Clean break of 70. Where's the price going to go? 66, 64. It's a 2-point range. That's the first support. 66, 64. And it's going to be target 1 unless I change it before or right at the time that the price gets there. All right. So, okay. So that's target, right? So we have direction. We have target, right? And then what is resistance? Well, 84. And there is one resistance right here that the odds that the price is going to take it, that's not going to happen. 90. So I want you to put a strong, solid price line, 90. Price is not going to take it. Unless there is a new direction, there is a new rotation, there is a new reading, which it can be in any second, any minute. I can change my mind. Anything I'm saying right now, I can change my mind any minute. We all know that. That's the difference between the professional trader and the rest. Alrighty then. Okay, so, oh my God, okay, hey Capi, look, this thing's going up, man. Since the open, from 74, it's gone up 5 points already. All right, so we like it because the higher it goes, if we still believe that the move that we're expecting is a downtrend, then we're gonna have a better entry, right? And that's what's gonna be difficult. Alrighty. So we have the high is 84, The low is 70. Clean break of 84. If smart money is really vicious today, and listen to this, and this is it. Smart money is really vicious today, and they really are planning to break this low, 74, 70, and go to 66. But before they do that, they test 84, break it, and go to 90. That's what's called a big squeeze, right? However, if the price goes to 84, hangs around there a little bit, come chop this, takes it, go to 90, and then we have another area of supply, 84, 90, and then eventually price end up breaking 90, and it just so happened that we are totally wrong, and the best play would have been to go long right here, this 76, 74, right? Then it wasn't a squeeze. We just got it wrong. That's all there is to it. Alrighty? Okay. Sure. Of course. That's 8 points since 9 a.m. But if I don't have anything telling me to go long that 74, I'm not going to call it. That's why I didn't call it. These 8 points are going without me. Long story short. Okay? All right. So we have a plan, and I want all of you to know that it's going to be a tough play today. I'm telling you, all right? For everything that I just told you, right? Okay, so we need to be more on the lookout as to how nasty is the smart money going to continue being than the actual trade itself. Do you think that we're going to actually get every single move? No. We are after every single move that our system can see. If we could get every single move, I probably wouldn't be here. So, time right now. Right, 9:14. Okay, 16 minutes to open, and price continue going to our level of resistance. Let's see, right? So we have a plan, and we have a forecast, and we know direction, levels of support, resistance, target, where price is going. Right? Well, let's see how the price is going to behave at our levels, and that way we're going to have confirmation as to whether Prosatico is in harmony with the price action today. So, right, ladies and gentlemen, just like I told you, we are on the lookout for a violent move, right? Look at it. Would you say this is a violent move, right? A lookout for a violent move exactly at our level. Look at that, from 83 to 88. 5 points in a minute, all right? And the first one, how many? 3-4 points in 3 microseconds. Remember what I've been telling you. Smart money today, they want to be real nasty with the longer term. They're going to squeeze as many as possible all the way to 90. If the price goes and actually takes 90, destroys 90, hang around here, then take it a little bit, and then it comes right back down. We were wrong in direction, right? That's all there is to it. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see about that. Time right now, 9:19, 11 minutes to open. Okay, we'll see about that. Alrighty then. Okay, so we know the importance of 90, right? We know the importance of between 84 and 90. We know that this is a squeeze. Remember I told you, you're not gonna find that in any book at all. All right, so if our 90, which is the level that we are counting on the price not to take. If the price takes it, right, then our direction, it's being temporarily not accurate. This is a clean break of 90, that is, all right? And then what do we need to know? Well, what the hell what's the next resistance gonna be? 99,502. Clean break of 90, then we're gonna watch it. We're not expecting that to happen, but if it does, because we always need to ask ourselves, what if my forecast is not gonna happen today, right? It happens 90% of the time, but the other 10% that it doesn't happen, those are the times that we have to be extremely aware about it. All right, if it doesn't happen, where is the price gonna go? 99, right? And this is 500, right? Everybody knows that, okay? So, but we're not expecting it, okay? But that's the what if. 99 is a 3-point range area of supply. It's 99,502. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen. All righty then. Okay. All right, so 84, right? Remember I told you we are on the lookout for a nasty, violent spike. A spike up against us, right? Because we are looking to show, oh my God, Capi, but you're crazy, man. This thing's gone up since you opened the mic at 74 all the way to 88, man. That's 74, 84, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God, almost 15 points, 14 points. This thing is obviously going up. Going short, that would be going against this massive, beautiful 14 points in 20 minutes. It doesn't get any stronger than that. Well, that's exactly what the smart money does. All right. So we're gonna continue analyzing, and then if Goldman calls me and tells me, no, I'm gonna break 90 and I'm on my way to 500, then we change chats and we start to go in long. What do you think 84 is right now? It's a minor support, right? Look at the way smart money broke our 84, right? Look at it, right? What do you think? Smart money didn't know that there were a lot of traders looking to short 84. That's why they broke it like that, to destroy them. They're trapped right now. Weak bears are trapped 84 right now. And that's exactly what the smart money does. Okay? All righty then. Time right now, 9:25, 5 minutes to open. All right, my friend. Listen to me. This 90 right here is an extremely important key level. 90 is now a divider, right? As long as the price is below 90, our forecast bearish bias remains the one that we want to follow, right? Now, as long as the price is below. If the price is above, then we're gonna be in all right, so we're gonna be on standby. All right, we're gonna be on standby. Above 90, we're gonna be on standby. Below 90, everything I told you stays. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, all right. Okay, so that was +3. Right, and remember, okay, what do you think smart money is doing right now? What do you think they're doing right now? We know exactly what they're doing, right? Okay. Right, that's 85, so that's +4, right? Okay, 91, razor sharp entry, right? The open, the momentum at the open tries to take our 90. We are not out of the woods at all, by no means. All right, yes, it's a razor sharp entry, 90. Price goes to 85, right? That's 5 points, 4 points and a half. We're good, stop, break even. That's all we have. This thing can easily go back up, and we've seen it all before, right? So what do we want? What do you think we want? That's 85, so that's plus 5. So what do we want? We want 84 taken, right? Once 84 is taken, then we're going to be more comfortable holding the short position that we have right here, 90, which is, again, a razor sharp entry short, right? The momentum is going to give us this 84, 91, right? 7 points of chop. Smart money is going to play with everybody here and here. All right, no problem. Okay, unless I tell you to change hat. Hey, listen, you know what? The bulls took over. We're not interested in being short anymore. Now we're gonna be looking for support, or we're gonna take a breakout, and now we're gonna change hats long to 99, right? That's the other play. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's see. Okay, so latecomers, you know, we're gonna, just like I told you, we're gonna have a fight right here. 90. Look at that, beautiful. Didn't I tell you 90 is not going to be taken easily? What do you think happened? The price just went up because this is a tough open today. So all of those traders, scalpers that shorted 90, they just logged 5 points right here at 85. Boom! They have to cover. They cover 5, and then, you know, they have to buy it up. They don't know the longer term. These are traders that are just only trading what they see. The momentum. Big deal, right? Big deal. Momentum, right? So who cares, right? Boom, bam, beam, right? Okay, so remember, not only a professional trader needs to know where the price is going, but we need to know how it's going to get there. And I told you exactly how the price was going to behave this open, right? Okay. Alrighty then. So let's continue. Right, this is just the open, ladies and gentlemen. All right, this is just the open, right? Price just went to 84, so we're up 6 points. Stop, break even, right? That doesn't mean that if the price goes right back up to 91, we're gonna desist in wanting to be short. No, just goes to 91. We never let a winner turn into a loser, and we take a shot again as long as I don't change hats. To bull, you stay with the plan, period. That's all there is to it, okay? You see a clean break of 91, you get the hell out. I'm not gonna let from 90 to 84, a 6-pointer turn into a loser, are we? Of course not. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. That's 83, right? From 90, 83, 84, right? 6 points. And the action continues. As simple as that. Scalpers are scalping, right? Scalpers are scalping. That's what they do. We are scalpers as well. The only difference is that we don't scalp 1, 2 points. We scalp 10, 20, 40, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 points. That's the difference. Right? So, Trading 101, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Clean break of hour 84. Price comes right back down. Support becomes resistance. Resistance becomes support. Right? So 84 becomes support. Price comes. Respect 84, the new support. It goes to our 90. Right? This is all scalping. And then we take a shot at 90. But we have to look at that, at the bounce, this double bottom right here on 84. Scalpers, right? They're going long hour 84. We can go long also 84. However, long 84 for the trip that we have in mind, it's a counter trend. The main play for us is short 90. That's the main play. So, sure, right? You wanna buy 84, buy it with the micros, with a very small position, so that we can take advantage of an obvious support. 84. We've done this a million times, right? But the important thing is which of the two, the short 90 or the long 84, is the one that you have, number one, a bigger position, and number two, the one that you're gonna have a loose leash because you are looking to buy a Lamborghini with that trade. Which one? The short 90. That doesn't mean that look at that, boom, 84, right? All right, so all of you guys, I just told you 2 minutes ago, it's okay to buy 84 as long as you're buying it as a counter trend. All right, price goes to 84. It's another entry, razor sharp 84. Look at that. We have a razor sharp short 90, and we have a razor sharp long 84 as the counter trend. No, Capi, I don't trade counter trend. Okay, don't take it. If you took it, you're gonna have to fight for it now, right? Okay. All righty. So our short 90 gone all the way to 82, so we are up 8 points. And remember the forecast. What's the forecast? That is gonna break 74 and it's gonna continue to 70. Isn't that the forecast that I gave 9 a.m. this morning? Whether it happens or not, we are already up 9 points on this 90 short. Look at it. 90 to 81, we're up 9 points already. So let's say that our forecast, the one that the reason we are short 90, right, is because we were expecting the price to eventually take 74 and go to 70, dance around a little bit, take it, and continue to target 166, 64. That's the forecast. It's all recorded, and that's what we're after. Now, is it going to happen? Well, that remains to be seen. However, in the meantime, we are already up 10 points, 90. Some of you are already done. I made my 10 points, man, that's $5,000. I'm out of here. I'm on my way to play tennis. That's it, I'm done. That's my goal for today. Me, I don't have a goal for today. I'm going to squeeze the market the same way the smart money squeeze the amateurs. I'm going to squeeze the market myself. I'm going to get every single little tick that I can. And this is how we do it. That's it. That's all there is to it. That's 80.75. We're going to call it 81. Alrighty then. $77, so that's 13 points, right? 13, and we all know what's going on. Now, hey, Capi, so what are we going to do when the price goes here, 74, 75. Should we lock 15 points? Well, you know, as long as you do it with your units in target 1. I'm going to repeat this. And this you will not find in any book. Right? We're trading 10 contracts. 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, or 12 contracts, 4, 4, 4. Or if you're trading only 3 contracts, that's 1, 1, 1. You cannot do this. But if you're doing what Prosatico calls for, which is 10 units, right? Or you can do 9 if you want to do 3, 3, 3, right? The idea is that each of your units has multiple contracts. We know 74 is going to be support, right? We know that. However, we are expecting the price to break it, test 70, break it, and continue to 66, right? That's what we're expecting. And that's target 1. However, on your unit 1, you have 4 contracts, and you want to take right here 76, right? That's 14 points already. You want to log 14 points? I'm not going to give you a hard time if you do. Log your 14 points. But we are after 66. That's what we're after. And 64, mid-range 65. How many points is that from 65 to 90? That's 25 points. And that's our target 1. Is it going to work? Maybe. No, stop, break even, start trailing. Right? Smart money decides to bounce and get every bear by surprise. It takes your trail. And if I don't tell you to remain sure, if it takes, it's okay. As long as you get back in. Because we, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, we are after 25 points, target 1, 65. All right? That's where we're going. Why? Because we trade confident money. We don't trade scared money. We control fear, greed, all that stuff, all that psychology that all these traders wannabe gurus tell you. It is true. I'm not saying it's not true, but like I said, one of these days I'm going to write a book about trading psychology. It's going to be about 2 pages long. Okay? All right, so I believe that's 74, right? I told you, you have 3 units, you have 3, 4 cars on your unit 1. Take 1, 2, so that you can lock 90, 74, so you can lock 16 points. Yeah, sure, I'm okay with it. I mean, all of you guys are professional traders, and we do this every single day, basically, right? And but I don't mind telling you, right? Because it's my job, right? My job is to read the market and tell you what the odds are as to what's going to do. You are the trader. You are the one that is going to pull the trigger on your account. So, all right. So, but I'll tell you every single little detail as to what it is I'm expecting to happen, all right? And then it's your job as a. I know that I tell you a lot of stuff that you know better than the back of your hand. I know that all of you guys are professional traders. All of you, ladies and gentlemen. Some of you have been trading with me for 10, 15 years, every single day. So I know you know all of these. But I want to say it anyway, all right? Okay, so bear with me. I was saying Build Back Better way before this guy used it as a slogan for this campaign stuff. Are you kidding me? I've been building back better for 20 years since I put together this system that we trade here it calls for building back better, Papa. So, all right, Papa. So, all right. So look at that beautiful build back better. If you took a blind limit 84, right? You knew the risk 84, right? Okay. So that 84, right? If you wanted to give it a shot, 86, 87, right? Because remember I said it, we're looking for a violent, nasty break against us, right? And that's gonna tell us a lot, right? Price break that 84 goes all the way to, look at that, you give it a couple of minutes, it goes all the way to 88, right? We know 90 is gonna stop at call, right? We know that. Look at it, 90. We've known since 9 a.m. We've known that the 90 is going to stop the price call. We know it. So you have to have that confidence. If you take a shot 88, you have to have the confidence that 90 is gonna hold. It's gonna recoil right here, and that the price is gonna be clinching below this area right here, right? So 88, 91, right? Average entry short, somewhere in the middle, 89, 89.5. You're counting on 91 holding, right? Which is 1 point that gives us the razor sharp entry. And then you hold it, you hold it, you hold it, and bam, 16 points, right? That's called day trading. Oh, that's pretty good. All right. Oh my God, you're right. So, what are you there? All right. Hey, good for you, Robbie. That's $7,000, man. That's beautiful. $7,000 already, right? That's pretty good. $2,000 for you. That's pretty good. You've been trained. You've been here for a year only, and you're already making $2,000. Are you kidding me? That's pretty good. That's awesome, man. Keep up the good work. I know you're very disciplined. So stay firm. Right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the ebb and flow. Main play, short 90. Okay. Right? Peeling off. 74 if you want, 70. And then you ride it to 66, and you can call you want to rate your performance today. You ride it to 66, to where I tell you the price it's going. Target 1. You ride it to 66. You want to grade your performance. You want to grade your trade, not in dollar amount or in points. You wanna rate your trade in terms of you having done exactly what the odds said the price was gonna do, right? That's right. Okay, so that's 72, right? 72 quarter. So we're almost 18 points, right? And depending on your position size, the size of your account, you can afford to peel off a couple of contracts right here, right? All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, isn't this exactly what we were expecting? That's the mid-range right there. Yeah. All right then. Is that the mid-range to the tick? I don't know. You tell me. Give me the low of our 2-point range. All right, 64.75. So if you are aggressive trader, I mean, this is a falling knife. There's no question about it, right? You are an aggressive trader. Target 1, 65, 75, 85, 90. So we're up, officially out 25 points, right? Officially, right here. 65 is the mid-range of our target 1. The level that I told you to let it ride. It's 25 points. We all know that the reason this is target 1 is because our system belief is strong enough that it's worth, giving it a chance for some sort of a bounce, right? And be significant enough to be worth it taking a counter trend loan. 65. Oh my God, yeah, Capi, I took the 65, man. I logged my 25 points, and 65, it went to 66, half, a point and a half, 2 points. I know that the low is 64, right? Right. So the ideal entry long for a counter trend, which a lot of traders don't counter trend. You don't have to counter trend, but if you do, in this trading center, you're gonna be extremely happy that you do, because hardly ever you're gonna leave any points on the table. But I understand you just made 25 points. You're waiting for me to tell you target 2, and believe you me, target 2, it's coming. So in other words, I am expecting the price to take 64 and continue going down. Where to? Alrighty, so I'm looking for it right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, momentum takes it a couple of points below, right? So 62 from 90, 60, that's 28 points for us. We know that 63, 62, we know this is an aggressive counter trend loan. We know that. Right here, 63, 62, we know it's an aggressive loan. All right? So we just made 28 points on our main play with the ES, and we are long 63, 62, 63, somewhere around here, counter trend, expecting the price to go at least test 66, 67, stop break even, start trailing. The counter trend. All right? And just give me a little bit of time while I look for target 2. Right? Target 2. Remember that we trade 3 units, 10 contracts. Right? 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3. Or if you want to make it even simpler, trade 12. 4, 4, 4. Done. So we're out 4 contracts right here, 65, target 1. We have 2 more targets down, and I'm waiting for Deutsche Bank to call me and tell me where they're going to take it next when they break this low right here. You just go ahead and be strong and let it ride. So listen, this is extremely important what I'm going to tell you right now. Remember, the market is dynamic. It's changing all the time. Support, resistance, this, that, structures, right, direction, counter, biggest, strengths, weak. It's changing all the time. All right? I need to figure out how strong is this 62 so that we can better manage our main play, in which we still have 2 units left, right? 8 contracts, right? And so that look at the counter trend, 63 all the way to 68. That's 5 points for the counter trend. 5 points. All right. So I need to figure out if this 62 right here, this one, it's actually a swing low or a pivot low or another kind of low, right? Meaning, let's see the strength of it to see if it's going to be broken or what the odds are as to what's going to happen next, right? Because once we know, then we're going to be in a much better position to manage the counter trend long 63 that we are on right now. All right, so tight leech, because it's not gonna be easy for the it's not gonna be easy for the Bears to take it. This 62, it's a pretty important key level. Now, right? So right now, remember, we not only want to know what the price is gonna go, but how it's gonna do it and where it's going and why and when and all of that stuff, right? So 62 is going to hold for a while, and this is what we Bears want. We want a violent break of 62, which I don't see happening, but if it does, then we're going to have confirmation. We're going to be confident that it's going to continue going to target 2, and all we got to do is figure out target 2, where is it? Where is it that it's going to go? However, repeat, it's not gonna be taken easily. If it is taken the way I just described to you, that's exactly what we want. All right. In the meantime, that counter trend gave us 5 points. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the ebb and flow, right? Gee, is that 70 to the tick by any chance? Is that 70 to the tick? So our counter trend long 62, right? Low 62, 63, 64. If you took the exact level, right? 62 to 70, that's an 8-point trip. 8 points to the tick. Alrighty, and we are expecting temporary target 2, 50. All right, let's see how many points that is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so our 70, right, clinching. So that's good, right? For us, those of us who have 2 more units left, then this is exactly what we want to see. Squeeze would be 74, 70, 74, right? Sometimes the trend is so strong that it just doesn't let even the smart money to squeeze you. We believe that the price is going to continue going down, and target 2 for the main play is now 50. So we are after 40 points. 28 points the first leg, 40 points next leg. So in other words, 12 more points. So we have 28 points on the first leg and 12 more temporary target 2, 44, 50 for a total of 40 points. That's what we're after. Let's see if we get it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what do we have here now? A little bit better, right? 61 quarter. And we know that this is resistance, and just hanging there. Time right now, 10:28. It's not even an hour since the open. Okay, so what it is we need to do now? Well, we need to be vigilant, and as long as the market continue giving us a downtrend rally, we're good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 59. We want 9 more points. Target 2. So we're up 33 points here. 28, log 28 here on the first leg. We want to ride it all the way to 50 for a total of 40 points. And of course, the price is never going to go anywhere in a straight line. And look at the bounce off of 58, 58. Look at the bounce of a 58 all the way to where? To 64, right? Hour 64. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time right now, 10:40. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we can be in this job for the rest of the day, right? So we are in phase 7, trade management. Those of you who are already in phase 6, those of you who are already in phase 7, terrific. We just made 28 points right here at 62. Price goes to 58, so that's 4 more points, so that's 32 points total. But we want 40 points here. We don't know how long it's going to take. It could take the rest of the day. It might never go there. We all know that. But we already have 32 points right here. So, but we want 40, target 250, right? So, from now on, I guess there is nothing left to say other than live, real time, as is happening. This is the only trading room in the world where everything is live, real time, as it's happening. Period. That's all there is to it. If there is another room somewhere in the world that they do not only what we do here in terms of transparency in reading the market live, real time, in front of us, to be honest, as it's happening, then terrific. Let me know. Number one and number two, there might be one here and there, but do they get the same results? So, remember, if it's not live, it's not real.